How this is how we drive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing. This time I have some box for you guys from IKEA. I have some door for one of the Billy furniture, Billy bookcase or other type of furniture you want to buy. You want to check how they look in real life situation. I'm gonna show you, unbox this one. I'm gonna show you also in real life situation on your furniture. So let me unbox this pack. Cut from here. If I can show you the heavy bit, information, other thing is right in, so nothing fancy, it's just a box. Gonna cut all the way. Let me take this off this side. One more box inside. Oh, every piece, every door comes with a different piece. Lovely, this one. Each of them has a different piece. You see, I have bought 5 of them, so I'm gonna open one. Here we go. See here, don't use knife, you can destroy the door. So better use your hand. Wow, lovely. So here is the door. It's very light version. I see here, pretty light here. Yeah. See model number, the information from IKEA. This side is wood, I think, but at the middle is a very light material. It's something as a layer of plastic or something, if I'm not wrong. But the good quality. Door is beautiful. The size is perfect. What else comes? This one. There's a box. See here the name of this model, IKEA OXBERG small white first 2954. You have a barcode. Lovely packaging. And if we can open this one, you see the tools to assemble this one. And I think there is a manual, so it's a complete guide. All the things to assemble this one. Lock screw here. This tool. The joints of the door you can see here, and a manual. So each of them, they comes with a manual and everything, separate manual, how to assemble. All the information is here. So now I'm gonna show you how it looks on my furniture. You see guys, how final touch here. This is my furniture, total top to bottom, you can see, and how the door is looking here. Lovely. Can open from here. How beautiful it is. See how beautiful this is. Lovely. I have 1 2 3 4 5, and look at this, the furniture, how beautiful this one, how beautiful the final touch. Price almost 400 euros cost me total of this furniture. Lovely. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.